This is only 1 mark question, but students lose it because of the CIP priority rule. So the question asks you what is the name of the compound according to IUPAC rules. And what students actually make mistakes is that they do not start the numbering of the carbon atoms from the right direction. The longest carbon chain containing the double bond will be from this side because double bond comes close from this side, and it will be 5 carbon atoms. So pent dash 2 dash in. Okay, so that's the name. Now add the groups. So you will see if you're starting the numbering from 1 2 3. So on the third carbon you have got fluoro, and on the fourth carbon is the methyl group. Okay, so that's methyl group needs to be named as well. So I would say it is 3 dash fluoro dash 4 dash methyl um, dash 2 pent methyl, then pent dash 2 dash ene. Okay, so that's the name. Now let's decide. The most tricky part is the E and Z, whether it is E or Z, right? Now we are going to use CIP priority. What do we do for that? Look at each carbon of the double bond separately. So CIP rule, remember the rules are you need a double bond. There is a double bond, right? And now look at the groups on the double bond separately. So this is my double bond here. So the groups that I have is one, this one, and one, this one. And for this one, now here you can say that, oh, there is nothing, meaning there is hydrogen are never shown in the skeletal formula, but there is a hydrogen there. So circle that hydrogen, and this is, there is nothing means it's carbon atom. So you have two of these groups. So what I'm highlighting is that these two groups are on this carbon, and I change the color to green. This group, this entire group, and this group is on the third carbon. Now you need to decide the priority, which one has the priority. So look at the carbon on the left carbon, left double bond carbon. Compare the two attached groups. Carbon has the priority, then hydrogen. Why? Because the atomic number of this carbon, I'm going to show you this carbon, and we look at the atomic number, not the mass number. Okay, atomic number of this carbon is 6. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So who is the priority? This is my priority. Okay, now look on the right hand side carbon atom and compare the two attached group. One is fluorine. So fluorine has the atomic number of 9. So fluorine has 9 atomic number, and carbon, this one, because that's directly connected to this carbon atom, so this has the atomic number of 6. So this is my priority. Okay, so the name will be Zame 3 fluoro 4 methyl pent 2 ene. I hope this makes sense. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any question.